Welcome everybody. This is Himanshu, and I'm very pumped up right now to tell you that we are gonna start a new class of English. Okay, in this class we will discuss about the filling in sentences. Okay, there you will learn many different kind of uses of the words and how to speak basic English. Okay, so let's start the class. The main overview and purpose is this activity is for the students who wanna learn how to speak English. Okay, who wanna at least learn how to speak basic English can attend this lecture and learn. Fill the following sentences with correct option. I'll give you a sentence and you have to choose the right option. Okay, so first is I have dash time so that I can't do this project. So what will be its answer? Okay, so tell. I have dash time so that I can't do this project. Your options are very little. Second option is a few. Third option is low and very few. So answer of the question first is very little. Okay. I have very little time so that I can't do this project. We say this in this manner. I have very little time. Okay. Little is used with uncountable things. Okay. So here time is uncountable and we will use little. So we say I have very little time so that I can't do this project right now. Second question is I like gymming, though it depends a lot on what. You have to fill this sentence with the most appropriate option. Okay, so your options are supplement, book, pen, novel. So sentence is I like gymming, though it depends a lot on what. Supplement, book, pen, novel. The right answer of the question is I hope you all know this question very well. So answer is supplement. Third English speaking sentence is it's not enough to send an email, you dash and discuss properly. So here the sentence is in present condition. So your options are did approach, should call, contacted, informed. Guys, the answer of this question is should have called. So please, this is the typo, and the answer of the question is option second. There should have called is your answer. It's we say this sentence in this manner. It's not enough to send an email. You should have called and discuss it properly, or say you should call and discuss properly. Okay, both the sentences are right. So the second option is right. Fourth point is I love watching the movies at the. You have to fill this sentence with the most appropriate option. So the answer of the question fourth is theater. We say whenever we go to watch the movie, we say I love watching the movies at the theater. Nobody watches the movie at hospital or zoo or park. Fifth point is Fifth question is what dash if they had not done their homework. Here we are talking about a probability that what can be happened or what can be done if they had not done their homework. So the answer of the question 5 is might have happened. We say this in this manner, what might have happened if they had not done their homework. क्या हो सकता है इफ दे हैड नॉट डन देयर होमवर्क, यदि उन्होंने अपना काम नहीं किया. ओके, आई एम ऑल्सो नरेटिंग इट इनटू हिंदी. Sixth point is lots of people dash the seminar. Your options are was present, came, attended, went. So you have to first look at the sentence structure, lots of people dash the seminar. So the first option is incorrect because we can't use singular form of verb with the plural subject, or say after the plural subject. So first option is incorrect. Second option is came. We cannot use came here because the sentence is lots of people dash the seminar. Came the seminar नहीं होता है. Came in the seminar we can consider that, but in this sentence there is no in after lots of people, so we use attended. We will use attended. Lots of people attended the seminar. Seventh question is, I usually get to the office early dash achieve the best performer award. So what can be the answer? So you have to look the options in order to second show, third occupy, fourth for. So what will be the correct option? I usually get to the office early. The right answer of the question 7 is in order to. In order to is the best thing that you can use right now. I usually get to the office early in order to achieve the best performer award. Eighth question is, some people criticized dash too long. What can be the most appropriate answer here? The options are the speech of the president to do, the speech of the president for being, the speech to the president having to, and fourth option is any other. So the correct answer of the eighth question is option number second. We say some people criticized the speech of the president for being too long. बहुत लंबी होने की वजह से कुछ लोगों ने उसके स्पीच को क्रिटिसाइज किया. ठीक है, तो फॉर बीइंग टू लॉन्ग वी विल यूज फॉर बीइंग टू लॉन्ग. Ninth question is, I have to hurry. I have very dash time before the train departs. We have also done the same type of sentence earlier, so you have to answer it correctly. The right answer of the question is, I have to hurry. I have very little time before the train departs. Okay, the answer is little. Next question is, I am very sorry. I dash you an idiot. What can be the right answer here? So I am very sorry. I shouldn't have called you an idiot. मुझे नहीं बुलाना चाहिए था. Shouldn't have called means नहीं चाहिए था. He already told her an idiot or referred her an idiot. So in this sentence, the right answer is should have called. Now more sentences that can be framed by using shouldn't have called or shouldn't have are, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have performed it. So these are the best examples that you can use in your daily life or lifestyle. Thanks for watching this video. I am starting this class now on, and you will notice and you will observe that I will be uploading more and more videos on this topic, filling the sentences. That there you will all learn about many things. Okay, thank you very much.